Good morning, class. If you watched the letter video for the week, you have already seen that our special letters for this week are V and Z. So these are some of the words you might see in your decodable reader this week. We're going to start at the top. V, a, n. Van. Van. V, et. Vet. Vet. At. Vat. Vat. Now you might not know what a vat is, and a vat is a really large container that holds something. So maybe you have a vat of bread or a vat of syrup. Okay, so it's a large container that holds something. Okay, let's go down here. Zig. 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 Zag. 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 Zip. Zip. The vet got a van. Can Val zip it? Have a good day.